What's up, everybody? It is True Sage, and yes, it's 2024. It's still pronounced True Sage. So, you wonder why I like Haspin Hotel? Wonder why I like more than Haspin Hotel? Helluva Boss. Yes, I am actively saying right here, I think Helluva Boss is actually better than Haspin Hotel. But this is Helluva Boss' second intro song by ShawnChristmas. If you guys don't know, I used to react to a lot of nerdcore rap on my channel. Like, a lot. One thing I never did react to was a nerdcore rap by Haspin Hotel or Helluva Boss. So I think it's about time to change that with today's video. And I don't think I've ever heard a song by ShawnChristmas before, so this is a brand new artist to me. I'm gonna give him a try though. Anyways, thank you guys for you guys' time. Be sure to subscribe button, and after you do that, we can get straight into the video. ShawnChristmas. ShawnChristmas in the middle of summer, baby. Ain't nothing like it. Come on. Well, it's not even summertime yet. It's really spring, but you know what I'm trying to say.
To hell with me, you're lost. Can't bring anything you bought. Death is knocking at your door.
I like the vocals.
Thought you tried to save yourself, couldn't find a soul to help. Let me welcome you to hell.
Man, the vocals are really nice so far.
Promises you made for the living at your grave, waving down to all we've saved here.
Okay.
Sympathy left for the taking, just smile while we play. Inner demons have awakened.
Okay, I like this so far, man. Okay.
This afterlife seeking revenge, murderous tendencies tend.
Okay.
Busy in death. Don't you come back another win.
Oh, Sean! Sean! Sean, why was you hiding such a beautiful voice like that? Wait, is this even Sean speaking right now? Well, I don't know if it's Sean doing the vocals or not, but somebody got a good ass voice.
Save all your empathy, 'cause life's an amenity, and we've got to get right down to business. Nobody's innocent, and time isn't infinite. It sounds like you've got a job to finish.
Hey, I'm full with the chorus too. Okay. Souls. Gold. Roll. Alright, okay. I'm doing too much. Let me calm my ass down. Let me lock in. That's why the song's called. Yeah. Let me down. Okay. Is that it? Is that it? Sean! Sean! I didn't even know Sean was coming like that. I really didn't know Sean was coming like that. Hey, man. Hey, shout out to ShawnChristmas, bro. That was a good ass song, man. Like, actually, 10 I like that. I like that, bro. See, this is what I'm talking about. When I say these nerdcore rappers and these nerdcore artists, they can really make their own in the mainstream music industry. They really wanted to. Great song. I liked it. Again, I think Helluva Boss is better than Haspin Hotel. I like them both equally, but I don't. Anyways, though, if you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button. Does this help me, but it helps you too. Why? You see content similar. This one. Y'all did subscribe to me? Appreciate it a lot. If you guys didn't, that's we'll part ways. Either way I go, I'm out of here. Y'all have to keep it easy. I'm gone. Peace.
That's all it is, man. Leap of faith.